In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning glass blur effect in your design projects. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication and depth to your artwork. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to create a shape that defines the area where your glass blur effect will be applied. This shape can be anything from a rectangle to a more complex polygon, depending on your creative vision. Once you have your shape in place, position it on the canvas exactly where you want the glass effect to appear. This will serve as the foundation for our effect. Next, it's time to create a duplicate of your background layer. This step is crucial as it allows us to merge the new effect seamlessly with your existing design. Once you've made a copy, drag this new layer directly to the top of your rectangle layer. Now we'll transform this setup into a clipping mask. Simply right-click on the uppermost layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This action aligns the duplicate background to follow the contours of your shape, preparing it nicely for the upcoming effects. Now that everything is in place, we'll convert this layer into a smart object. This step is helpful because smart objects allow us to non-destructively apply filters, meaning you can always go back and tweak them later without altering the original image. To do this, right-click your clipped layer and select Convert to Smart Object. With our Smart Object ready, navigate to the Filter menu at the top of your screen. From here, choose Blur and then Gaussian Blur. You'll see a slider appear, and you'll want to set it to a radius of 8 pixels. This creates a nice, smooth blurring effect, but not too much, as we want to retain some visible content through the blur. Once you're happy with the blur, let's add a touch of texture. Head back up to the Filter menu, select Noise, and then Add Noise. Set the amount to about 2%. This sprinkle of noise adds realism and a touch of grit to the glass effect, mimicking subtle imperfections you'd find in actual glass. Finally, let's enhance the illusion of glass even further. Go back to the Filter menu and select Filter Gallery. Here, you need to choose the Glass filter. Set the distortion to a value of 1. This will give you just enough surface texture to emulate glass with a refined, natural finish. You can see the transformation adding dimension to your shape. And there you have it, a stunning glass blur effect that can elevate any project with a professional sheen. Follow these steps and you'll have an impressive piece that looks every bit as sophisticated as it sounds. Happy designing!